This review is of Endangered Species chocolate, premium baking chips, 55% cocoa with oat milk and dark chocolate, so they are vegan. It's also non-GMO, 83.7% fair trade, cocoa mass sugar, cocoa butter, and vanilla. And let's see, I believe there's some more. Oh yes, 10% of net profits to save our wildlife. So that's great. There's a blurb right there. Parv, so it's safe for Jews and Muslims in that respect. And also gluten-free. And that's it. Here are the nutrition facts. 90 calories per 1.5 tablespoons. 6 grams of fat, of which 3.5 are saturated. No trans fats or cholesterol or sodium. 7 grams of carbs, of which 1 is dietary fiber. 4 are sugars that are added, and 1 gram of protein. And here we go with the ingredients. Short list, and it does include vanilla. Now, obviously, if you aren't worried about veganism stuff, then it's not a big deal if you don't get this. It's certainly not important to have milk in chocolate. It actually decreases the nutritional value of chocolate, so I wouldn't recommend it. Not sure how I feel about the smell. It's kind of discolored because I've had these for quite some time now. I plan to do a big review, a comparison of chocolate chips, but because of my heart problems with atherosclerosis or plaque buildup and stuff, I have had to stay away from too much saturated fat. The chips are very small. The flavor is rather subdued. With only 4 grams of sugar and the oat milk, it has made the flavor, subdued. So they're okay, but if you want a burst of chocolate, this isn't really going to work for you. You also have to balance the recipe to make sure that the chocolate chips don't get washed out by like a high level of sugar or whatever. You have to figure out how to balance that. So they're okay. I don't typically like milk chocolate, so I'm not really happy about this anyways, so I'll give it a 6. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.